This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feeling. All the characters used in this story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Ida's personal life. So don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video series. Well, it's our King Jamruk's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So don't take it to your kidneys and heart. And have a good time.
In the beginning, Jungkook was the kind of husband who turned your world into a fever dream of devotion. He was obsessed with you, utterly shamelessly so. He used to wait outside your office with your favorite coffee just to see your shy smile. He would trace your face with trembling fingers in the dark, whispering that you were the only person who made him feel alive. He brought you books he thought you would love, learn to cook your favorite dishes, burn them half the time, but you would eat them anyway just to watch him grin. In your first months of marriage, he couldn't stand to let go of your hand. He would kiss your knuckles while you talked, tuck your hair behind your ear just to look at your eyes. You were his little universe, but as the seasons shifted, something colder crept in. It was so gradual, you almost convinced yourself you imagined it. The way he stopped waiting for you to come home, the way he looked right through you some mornings like his heart was somewhere else, the way your laughter, once his favorite song, seemed to irritate him, though he never said why. And when you asked if something was wrong, he would say, I don't know, because he really didn't. He couldn't understand why his chest didn't feel warm anymore when he looked at you, why his hands didn't ache to hold you the way they used to. Why the thought of kissing you sometimes felt like a memory instead of a need. He wasn't cruel. He didn't yell or slam doors, but his absence, while his body still sat across from you, felt like the most viscous betrayal of all. You took a shaky breath and reached for his wrist, your fingers curling around it so softly he could have flipped free if he wanted to. He didn't pull away, but he didn't wet your eyes either. You, Jungkook, please. I can't pretending everything is fine. Look at me, just look at me. He exhaled long and tiredly before finally lifting his gaze to yours. His pupils were dull, and for a second you hated how familiar they used to feel. Jungkook, what do you want me to say? You, the truth, even if it breaks me. Even if it breaks you, Jungkook, I don't know the truth anymore. You, then tell me what you do know, because I'm drowning here and you are just watching. His jaw tensed. You could say it cost him something to say anything at all. Jungkook, I don't feel the way I used to. You, what does it mean? You don't feel what? Jungkook, the spark. The God, I don't know, the pull toward you. I don't wake up thinking about you first thing. I don't know. To touch you like I used to. Your heart cracked, splintering in pieces you would never feel before, but you forced yourself to keep your voice steady. You, and when did you decide I wasn't worthy trying for? Jungkook, that's not fair. You, no, you don't get to tell me what's fair. You don't get to look at me like I'm stranger in my own marriage, like all of this was some phase that ended when you got bored. His hands were shaking. He clenched them into his fist in his lap. Jungkook, I swear to you, I'm not bored of you. I'm just lost. I don't know when it started. I don't know why. But I feel like something in me went numb and I can't bring it back. You, did I do something? Did I fail you somehow? Jungkook, no God, no. You have been perfect. That's what makes this so cruel. You did everything right and I still. His voice broke. Your tears slipped free. You, then why does it feel like you are already gone? He looked at you and in that moment you thought maybe he was crying too, but he blinked them too quickly for you to be sure. Jungkook, because some days I think I am. Your hands fell away from his wrist, limp. You, I love you even when you look at me like this. Even when you don't feel anything at all. Jungkook, I know. That's what kills me. You. And what I'm supposed to do with this love, Jungkook? Just let it rot? He finally reached for you, but it was too late. You stepped back, wiping your tears with the heel of your arm. You, I can't do this alone. And you're already somewhere. I can't follow. Jungkook, tell me how to fix it, please. If you still want me to fight for us, just tell me how. You have to want to fight. And when he didn't answer, just stood there silent and hollow. You knew that for now. He didn't. The morning light made everything look softer, but nothing felt softer. You sat across from him at the kitchen table, your hands folded neatly in front of you, like you were trying to keep them from shaking. Jungkook hadn't touched his coffee. He just stared at you with eyes that looked as tired as the you. I have been thinking all night, trying to figure out how to stay, how to fix something that doesn't want to be fixed. Jungkook, don't. Please don't say you're leaving.
जब चारों तरफ आज कितने ही सारे सारे हैं, जाने ना तू खुद को यूं ना जाने क्यों नजरों से मेरी यहाँ देखो ना खुद को जरा, देखो ना जुल्फों से, कैसे जुल्फों से तेरी छुपती प्यारी प्यारी सी मुस्कान है, और नजरें झुकी और नजरें उठी तो मैं क्या ही करूं बर्बाद मैं तेरे होठों को जिनसे रखती मेरे प्यारे प्यारे नाम है, और दिल का तेरे अब मैं क्या ही कहूँ क्या बात है। और हाँ देखो यहाँ कैसे आई दो दिलों की बारात है, पर क्या खुला आसमां या फिर लाई यहाँ जोरों से बरसात है, चाहे वो छाए भी बादल तो चाहे फिर भी तुम्हें क्या पता, तुमको मांगो ना कुछ और जो तुम मेरे हो। मेरे लिए हवा बादलों से उतारा गया तुमको मेरे लिए, सिर्फ मेरे लिए। जब मेरी उंगलियां तेरे बालों से कुछ कहना है, जब तेरी लहर में ख्वाहिश मेरी बहरा ले, हाँ मेरे पास तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो, मेरे साथ तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो। दुआ भी लगे ना मुझे, दवा भी लगे ना मुझे, जब से दिल को मेरे तू लगा है। नींद रातों की मेरी, चाहत बातों की मेरी, चैन को भी मेरे तूने यूं ठगा है। जब सांसें भरूं मैं तुमसे, आंखें करूं मैं नजर यार, तुझ पे पहली पहली बार, ओ यार दिल को कराया, तुझ पे पहली पहली बार, ओ यार। हर रोज पूछे ये हवाएं, हम तो बता के हारे, क्यों जिक्र तेरा करते हैं हमसे तारे।
पूछे हमारी, हम तो बता के हारे, क्यों जिक्र तेरा करते हैं हमसे तारे। कैसे जीने हम तुमसे जी,
पहली पहली बार, ओ यार। तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना, सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम। ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम। दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे हैं तूने कदम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना, हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम। ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम। सच्ची सी है ये तारीफें दिल से जो मैंने करी है, जो तू मिला तो सजी है दुनिया मेरी हमदम। ओ आसमां